Yeah, sometimes the most simple things are the best things, and also that's the case here with these magnetic silicone bookmarks. They are called bookmarks, but they do not only work as bookmarks because these are magnetic clips, so they can do much more. Here we have the 6 set, and you can see the nice colors. And so let's take one of them, and you can see how nice they are. They have a very strong magnet. So you can see when they are open, they are super flexible, has this skin-friendly silicone cover. But as soon as we got closer, it snaps together and holds everything in place. No matter if it's pages in a book, for example, to mark the progress of your reading or mark a chapter, which is super important. So you can see very easy to get access to these different parts. We all know these food clips. And so if it doesn't have to be perfectly airtight, we can also use it here like that. You can see it closes nicely. This back here also works great for wires to prevent such mess. So we can just coil it up here a little bit and then put it around. And you can see how nicely this holds. Much easier to close than with a rubber band or a short wire. Very easy to open, have it, and put it back. Of course, there are also some limitations regarding magnetic hold. So here in this case, with this book, which I think has a little bit thicker pages, it's around 100 pages where it still has a decent hold. You can see that here. I've tried it with 200 pages, didn't work, but especially with older books with thinner pages like this one here, these are more than 200 pages, and you can see it has still a very firm hold. I've also tried it for bags, for example, this one here, which is a rather thin one. And yeah, it doesn't have a real hold. Sometimes it can get a little bit of a hold, but it's not really sustainable. And so no surprise, like such ones here, there is no way that I can get a hold. So it definitely works in a lot of situations, not everywhere, but I still think it's a very interesting thing. Also really fun to play around. You can even build longer chains or stack them on top of each other, almost like a fidget spinner thing. Really amazing, this stuff. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing where you can buy such a set. Currently, they are available in 3-piece sets or 6-piece sets. Just check it out. Order a set for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and show you something interesting, maybe something you have never seen before. Of course, I'm also very interested to hear from you what you think about these magnetic clips. Please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.